All right, Tony Laporta here with TonyLaporta.com. Anyhow, I took profits in my corn. I sold the pivot in the corn, and I'm trying to take profit in the beans, selling the pivot in the beans. But they didn't get up there. I think they got close, but they didn't get up there. I think the price is like 9.11. I think we'll get them. I think I'll get them today. And obviously I'm, hoping's not trading. Hoping's hoping, but I'm hoping that this hedge that I put on is early. Is all. I'm hoping it's early, and we've got levels here. Basically, matrix level of 146.29. The old lows 147.01 in the bonds. So they're kind of hanging in here at the moment. But the nice thing about this, having this hedge on, is it's allowed me to stay in this S&P trade. And right now the hedge, it's probably a break even from where I initiated. I was basically, when the SPOOs were 28.99, so 10 handles lower than where they are, is when I got in and bought the 28s in the bonds. So the bonds are costing me 28 ticks times 13, and I picked up 10 handles times 13, whatever that is. There's not much in it, but I do believe it's by having the long bonds on, it's going to allow me the opportunity to carry this trade over the weekend and carry this trade into today. And if we see any kind of sort of grind me higher in bonds or S&Ps, well, then we're good. If not, I'll make a determination at the end of the day what I want to do with this. But I like the spread because it allows me the opportunity to run this S&P trade, and that's the trade I really love. So, like I said, I think the downside is limited in the bonds, but the upside in the SPOOs, I think there's another 50 to 60 handles in it. So we'll see how this plays out. It's Friday. Don't lose your ass. Bonds go 00 bid, 01 bid. We get these bonds back up above 147.10. I like them. Another thing I want to say is the bonds are right now trading 01. So they're down 22 ticks right now, with the notes trading 04. They're down 14. If the notes are down 14, the way I always look at that spread, if the bond is leading, if the notes are down 14, the bond should be down 28, 30. I mean, there's been times we see the bonds down 20 and the notes are down 4. Now the notes are leading, and that's not the way I like it. And that's telling me right there you want to be long the bonds. So why do you want to be long the bonds? Is the equities going to come off? I don't know. I just think they've gotten to a level where you'll find buyers due to the fact that we have negative interest rates around the world, and you're still getting a return on U.S. Treasuries. So with that said, this is Tony Laporta with TonyLaporta.com signing off. The Dow is gapping up. This is a 2-day island bottom. It could be a 3-day. A 3-day island bottom. It could be a 4-day island bottom. The objective is 264.98. Go look at your chart. And if you're not long, you might want to just might want to walk away today, because I don't think you want to sell this. Wells Fargo came out, beat expectations. JP Morgan came out, beat expectations. On Monday we got Citi and Goldman coming out. And everyone and their brother was anticipating weaker than expected earnings, and the first two big boys out are better than expected. So there was a merger today. I mean, everything is Wall Street positive. So we'll see how this plays out. This is Tony Laporta with TonyLaporta.com signing off. Cheers.